Here are some false beliefs about early pregnancy symptoms. It is important to know that these are untrue or at best incorrectly attributed to pregnancy. While early pregnancy may cause headaches, one must not conclude that a headache is a symptom of pregnancy. There can be many reasons for a headache, ranging from strain on the eyes to stress. So the next time a friend who is trying to conceive gets a headache, don't be in a hurry to congratulate her. Having a slight or cramping stomach pain is not a likely sign of pregnancy. It could just be indigestion, constipation, or a stomach virus. Not a good idea to plan a celebration just yet. While the basal body temperature rises a little when one conceives, having a fever is not a sign of pregnancy. A BBT rise is just a slight flush, not a fever really. Women's bodies are optimistic when it comes to getting pregnant. As soon as ovulation occurs, the body starts preparing for a new life. One of the hormones responsible for maintaining a healthy early pregnancy is progesterone. Progesterone increases just after ovulation to support an embryo. If conception happens, if you're not pregnant, your progesterone levels will fall after 12 to 16 days after ovulation. This drop brings you on your period. High levels of progesterone can make you feel tired and emotional. The hormone is also responsible for tender breasts, constipation, and fluid retention. Those may feel like symptoms of pregnancy before you get your period. The iMumz app has well-researched information about pregnancy hormones. Do download it today.